Guys, very foggy today. Look at that. You can even see the runway anymore. The plane, you can even see the plane taking off on the south side. It is very thick fog. Oh my goodness. Welcome everyone to another show here at LAX. It's fun. We are going to be at fun. My gosh. And it's very, very foggy today. Look at that. See the plane. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Look at that. You can't even see the plane anymore. We are covered by the clouds. This is not good, guys. Look at that. just hard. Alright guys, British not just landing on this. Alright guys, we have United Airlines 77 about to land here. United Airlines 77. Touchdown. Korean Air A380 has arrived.